Yes, the fourth paragraph. Every child is born with some inherited characteristics. APJ Abdul Kalam says that every child who is born in this earth has some inherited characteristics. Inherited means that he gets from his father and mother, from his parents, such kind of qualities which someone gets from his father and mother. So he says that every born child gets some inherited characteristic into a specific socio-economic and emotional environment, and trained in certain ways by figures of authority. He says that some qualities from parents, and it defines that socio-economic means in what type of atmosphere he has been brought up, एंड इमोशनल एनवायरमेंट, किस तरह से उसका लालन पालन हुआ है, कैसे उसकी देखभाल हुई है, एंड ट्रेन इन सर्टेन वेज बाय फिगर्स ऑफ अथॉरिटी, एंड विच टाइप ऑफ पर्सन हैज ट्रेन्ड हिम मीन्स किस तरह के लोगों ने उनको एज ए अथॉरिटी पाला है, बड़ा किया है, उनको सारी चीजें सिखाई है. मीन्स फिगर ऑफ अथॉरिटी, द पर्सन हु गिव्स कमांड, हु ट्रेन्स पीपल. I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father. He says that what I have earned from my father, what I inherited from my father, there were two qualities. First, honesty, and second, self-discipline that APJ Abdul Kalam learned from his father. From my mother, I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness, and so did my three brothers and sister. He says, I learned self-discipline and honesty from my father, and I learned what? Faith in goodness and deep kindness. अच्छाई में बिलीव करना और बहुत ज़्यादा दयालु रहना, ये दो चीज़ें मैंने अपने मदर से सीखी. एंड सो डिड माई 3 ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, और ऐसा ही मेरे 3 भाई बहनों ने भी मेरे माता पिता से सीखा. सो दिस वॉज द फैमिली इंट्रोडक्शन. नाउ he goes to about he is going to tell about his friends. He says, I had 3 close friends in my childhood. Ramanatha Sastri, first friend, Arvindan and Siva Prakashan. Means there were 3 friends, childhood friend, who were very close friend to Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What are the name? You remember? Ramanatha Sastri, Arvindan and Siva Prakashan. All these 3 boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. Pay attention. These 3 children belonged to a Orthodox means strict Hindu Brahmin families. As Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam belonged to Muslim family, but his all 3 friends, fast friends, were from Orthodox strict Hindu Brahmin families. As children, none of us ever felt any difference amongst ourselves because of our religious differences and upbringing. What a great thing that has been mentioned here. I would like to tell you that as children, none of us, means these 4 friends, never felt any differences amongst themselves because of religious differences and upbringing. अलग अलग फैमिलीज में अलग अलग तरह की अपब्रिंगिंग होती है, सिखाना, उनके फैमिली कल्चर, रिलीजन्स, इन सब चीजों से कभी भी उन 4 फ्रेंड्स के अंदर कभी किसी तरह का कोई डिफरेंसेस नहीं आया. इनफैक्ट रामानंदा शास्त्री वॉज द सन ऑफ पक्षी लक्ष्मणा शास्त्री. मीन्स Ramananda Sastri was the son of Pakshinada Sastri, right? Who was he? Who this person was there? In fact, Ramananda Sastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, the high priest of the Rameshwaram temple. हाई priest, एक बहुत बड़े पुजारी का बेटा था कौन? रामानंदा शास्त्री. And what was the name of the father? Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri. Later he took over the priesthood. Later he took over the priesthood of Rameshwaram temple from his father. मतलब बाद में उसने अपने फादर से वो priesthood लिया. Means he went in his the same profession of priestship. The high priest of the Ramana. Later he took over the priesthood of Rameshwaram temple from his father. Arvindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. His second friend, Arvindan, he started a business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Pilgrims को जो श्रद्धालु आते हैं उनके लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट की व्यवस्था करना, इस बिजनेस में को ज्वाइन किया. एंड शिव प्रकाशन became a catering contractor for the Southern Railway. Catering contractor, a person. Catering contractor is a person who arranges food and other facilities for the people who travel in trains. So he worked as a catering contractor in Southern Railway. Fifth paragraph. During the annual Sri Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony. What exactly Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony? I would like to tell you that this Sita Rama Kalyanam ceremony is also known as Kalyano Mahotsav, and it means marriage of Lord Rama and Bhagwan Ram and Ma Sita. This is the ceremony when idols of Bhagwan Ram, of God Ram and Sita is executed. So what was there? Our family used to, what was the contribution of APJ Abdul Kalam's family? Our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for carrying idols of Lord from temple to the marriage site. इनकी फैमिली की जिम्मेदारी होती थी कि दे यूज टू अरेंज बोट्स विद स्पेशल प्लेटफॉर्म, जिस पर बहुत अच्छा से एक स्पेशल प्लेटफॉर्म बना होता था फॉर कैरिंग आइडल्स ऑफ लॉर्ड. भगवान की मूर्तियां, भगवान राम और सीता की मूर्तियां उस पर रख के मैरिज साइट पर ले जाने के लिए. कहां से? फ्रॉम द टेम्पल टू द मैरिज साइट. सिचुएटेड इन द मिडिल ऑफ पॉन्ड कॉल्ड रामातीर्था, which was near our house. What was the responsibility of this family? They used to provide boats for carrying idols of gods to take them to the site of take them to the marriage site that was situated in the middle of the pond, and that place is called Ramatirtha, which was near the house of APJ Abdul Kalam. Events from the Ramayana and from the life of Prophet were the bedtime stories my mother and grandmother would tell the children in our family. He says that this was the bond of fraternity, that there was no discrimination on the basis of culture and religion. बेड टाइम, आप सभी ने बेड टाइम की स्टोरीज, सोते समय जाते समय आपकी ग्रैंडमदर या मदर आपको स्टोरीज सुनाती होंगी. एट दैट टाइम both stories from Ramayana and story from the life of Prophet were told to the children by their mothers and by their mother and grandmother to their children. So this was the very common thing.